And does it say the shade? 405. I saw the word berry. Hold on. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the Allure special beauty box that you receive as a gift when you sign up for a 1-year subscription, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. I'm a little confused. I received this box here, which is a lot larger than a typical Allure box. So I'm questioning. At first I was super excited. I thought, oh yeah, they're upgrading. We're going to get 3 full-size products and 6 items. And then I read the email. That doesn't start until October, and it's still September. So then I'm like, whoa, what's going on? This may be the special item you get when you sign up for a year, because I signed up for a whole year worth of Allure because I still wanted the box but didn't want to pay $23 a month. And if you pay for a year, which is $165, divided by 12, that's $13.75 per box. You heard me right. When before the box was $15 a month. So that's even a savings. Anyways, I'm going to unbox this sucker and we're going to find out what this is. Alright, so Allure is beauty magazine. They have those awards. They have editors that review products. I'm sure you've seen the little sticker. They ship the box just with a little plastic wrap, and then your little address is on the back there. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Alrighty, lifting the lid. First thing I grab says phenomenal, but I don't know what it is. So how phenomenal can it be? Vita Liberata Advanced Organics, up to 10 days from one application. Of what? Organic tan infused cloth for face and body. What? Is this like a self-tanner little handy wipe? What is this? It says tan infused cloth. I'm going to assume it's what they say. Alright, that's new, different, interesting item to receive in a beauty box. Okay, next item. Ooh, I love seeing bubble wrap because that usually means it's something good. Ooh, looks like a highlighter of some sort. And is this OFRA? It's an OFRA and NikkieTutorials collab. And that is what that looks like. Okay. Off to a better start. Alright, next item. Model Co. I have received a product from this brand before. Don't get me started on which of the 72 beauty boxes it came from, but I remember it was an eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow. This is a little itty bitty 3 colored eyeshadow. Okay, that's cute. Next item is also from Model Co. And let's see if I got a dupe or just a different color story. Oh, nope, just a different color story. Okay. Show them side by side. One's a little kind of pinker, warmer, and the other one's a little cool toned. And all the colors seem to be shimmer shades. Okay, next item. What is this? Packaging looks familiar. I swear I've received something from this brand before, but not so much that I remember the brand. All right, what is this? Dr. Botanicals? LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Oh, don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. A rescue butter. All right, very yellow. All right, I don't know why I said yellow that way. Okay, is this going to be safety sealed? Yes, it's safety sealed. And if I can figure out what this is all about, put it on the screen. There is no card in this, which I'm leaning towards this is, in fact, the special gift you get when you sign up for a whole year, but so far so good. All right, next item. Floss. I have received something from this brand before, probably in an Allure box. What is this? My new favorite lip gloss. All right, I love lip gloss. Be a color I like and enjoy. Oh, interesting packaging. All right, so is it going to be doe foot or squeeze on your lips? Doe foot. Ooh, let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's a pretty color. Right up my alley. All right, I'm liking that. Next item. This is from a brand I've never heard of called Laritzy. What is this? Liquid Beam. Multi-purpose liquid illuminator. It's a fancy way of saying highlighter. Oh, it's like the size of like a concealer. I'm going to assume it has a doe foot. Yes. All right, let's do a little swatch. Ooh, it's like a kind of light gold champagne color. That's pretty. All right. Next item. Ooh, makeup eraser in a very tiny box. Yes. Little tiny guy, all rolled up. Ooh, block your eyes. Okay. Not mad at that. Next item. Ooh, we got a brush. And if I had to guess based off of the color, this is going to be from Lexi. Yes! It's like I'm playing my own game show inside my head. All right, Lexi is, I've received brushes from this brand from, I want to say Ipsy and other boxes. And I love a good brush for eyeshadow. All right, next item. We got another brush. Ooh, not my favorite color, but on camera it doesn't look so bad in person. It's like a gold, but a very yellow looking gold. What brand is this from? I am not familiar with this one. This is, it's stiff. It's got a slight angle. Probably concealer. And I'm going to need my old lady eyewear to figure out what brand this is. 1 second, please. This is from a brand called, does it say Moda? Moda, and it is the, good Lord, M27. They don't make it easy. All right, next item. Ooh, this looks like a serum of some sort. All right, what do we got here? Oh, no. Not a serum. It's Tropez Self Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin. Interesting. Wait, but it's clear. How can it be a self-tanner? All right, I'm going to have to look this one up, and if I find anything, put it on the screen as well. All right, next item. There's a lot of items in this box. Ooh, this is from, this looks very familiar. I swear I got this recently in another box. It's from Duce, D-O-U-C-C-E. You can pronounce that however you'd like. And I'm assuming this is a lip crayon. And does it say the shade? 405. I saw the word berry. Hold on. is Winterberry. All right. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to grab the thing that I think is the same, and we will find out. Okay, so this is what I thought. And they're very similar, but I believe they're different brands. The colors are slightly different. Let's see. This one is from a Glow Skin Beauty. So, very similar, and, like, I swear they were manufactured in the exact same place. But I always love a good lip product. All right, next item. Again, from Model Co. And I want to say Model Co. is Australian. Okay. This is a metallic eyeshadow in the shade St. Bart's. Oh, this seems to be sample size. It's right there. Oh, it looks similar, not in color, but to that liquid highlighter. The liquid eyeshadow and that liquid illuminator look very similar in shine and texture. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? This is Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam. I'm going to assume that means it's a cleanser. All right, next item. What is this? Also by the brand Mamonde, Red Energy Recovery Serum. Oh, how cute. The little teeny guy. There is a pump. Let's see what this is all. Ooh. Okay, what kind of serum are you? Eye or recovery? Recovering from what? Being bad at filming YouTube videos? Alright. There it is right there. Feels like a serum. Oh, it has a lovely scent. Very soft, floral. But good floral, not... If I knew anything about flowers, I don't know. The word peonies comes to mind. I'm probably wrong. Comment down below, do peonies even have a scent? It smells lovely. Alright, next item. Ooh, this looks like, without even reading it, just the shape of the tube. Please be an eye serum. Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. Need I say more? Alright, this is from Olay, and it's called Olay Eyes. I assume that's oil of Olay. Alright, I'm excited. Next item. Ooh, something else from Model Co. This is eye lights, so the same liquid eyeshadow product. What shade is this one in? Oh, okay. Black, or like charcoal. I don't know if I can pull this off, but you know what? I'm going to swatch it anyways, because I want to have fun. Ooh, I wonder if I could use it as just an eyeliner. And there is a slight shimmer, glitter. I don't know if I'll pick up. This, for me, we're talking like New Year's Eve type of a eye look. Maybe. Probably not. Okay. I think this is the last item. And don't know what it is or who it's from. Let's see. LA Splash or La Splash. And this is, what is this? Architect, but it's spelled, I don't know if I'll pick up. It's all fancy. Art hyphen with a K, K-I hyphen, T-E-K-T. But what are you? A slim eyeliner. Oh, did I say the word waterproof? Oh, we'll find out if it's waterproof or not. Give me a second here. All right, let's, ooh. Okay, it's right there. We'll give it like 10 seconds. Oh, is there a rollerball? No. All right. Yes. She'd be or I can't say if she's waterproof, but doesn't smudge, and that's what I need in my life. an eyeliner that doesn't smudge. All right, yep, that's everything. Okay, for signing up for a year, that's a bunch of free stuff that honestly I would have signed up for a year anyways, regardless. So let's recap and figure out how many items we received. So we got an eyeliner. We got a lemon infused lotion of some sort. We got a brush and another brush. This is for your eyes. We got a lip product. We got an eye cream or serum. We got not one but two Model Co liquid metallic eyeshadows. We got from Makeup Eraser, a makeup eraser. We got a liquid highlighter, a lip gloss, an OFRA collab with NikkieTutorials highlighter, two little trio mini eyeshadows, a Tropez, something to do with self-tanning spritzer, and a very interesting self-tanning kind of wipes. I left off 2 items, so there's a total of 18 items. That's a lot. All right, I'm going to list everything on the screen. Try to figure out the price, see the value of a free box. Maybe you want to sign up for Allure for a year, or maybe you could care less. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Did you think that was a really good free gift? Do you subscribe to Allure? I'm so excited for this new October box. I honestly thought this was it. So maybe the box will be the same size to house 3 full-size products. I don't know. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. And then click that little bell icon so you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.